Part 3. Machining composite rotors with the quick chuck adapter. Composite rotors strike fear into the hearts of many technicians. The reason for this is most technicians have experienced problems when trying to machine a composite rotor. What makes a composite rotor different than a cast one is the fact that the composite rotor is actually two different pieces joined together. The head of the composite rotor is made of stamped steel, similar to many drums. The friction surfaces are cast around this head to complete the rotor. Composite rotors were originally designed because they are up to 40% lighter than their cast counterparts. The stamped steel hat made it necessary to use special adapters when machining composite rotors. On the vehicle, the stamped steel hat is clamped between the wheel and the hub. This gives the hat its rigidity. This clamping must be duplicated on the lathe if the composite rotor is to be refinished properly. Standard bell clamp adapters cannot duplicate this clamping. There are a number of composite adapter sets available. What sets the quick chuck apart from the rest is there is no need for any type of centering rings or separate centering plates. The disadvantage of this type of adapter is it requires you to purchase a new plate or centering ring each time a new composite application is introduced. The quick chuck's self-centering jaws will handle all passenger car composite rotor applications. With the optional large backing plate and truck jaw set, it will handle all composite rotor applications. There are many myths surrounding the machining of composite rotors. Here are some of them. They cannot be machined. You can use standard adapters to machine composite rotors. You can only take 1 to 2 thousandths of an inch off at a time. And finally, no matter how you do it, you cannot get a good finish on a composite rotor. As you can see, this is not true. This composite rotor is having 4 thousandths of an inch being taken off each side with no chatter or noise problems. Proper lathe setup and quick chuck adapter make this possible. If we add these features to the quick chuck adapter, you can see how this one tool will meet your present and future hubless rotor refinishing needs.